restless, her heart is wild as the west. Those boots were just born to run. Shoots from the hip, got a fast trigger lip, and she'll tear you up just for fun. Restless as the wind, you can't fence that in, but if you can keep up with a cowgirl, she's gonna take you on a hell of a ride. If you can keep up with a cowgirl, you're gonna wanna hold on for dear life. Like a neon town when the sun goes down, she's gonna keep you up all night. Might put a little wild in your world if you can keep up with a cowgirl. Tough as they come, it's always been in her blood, like the Rio running through her veins. If you're lucky enough, she'll give you her love before she up and rides away. She's got a heart of gold, and it's yours to hold if you can keep up with a cowgirl.